quickly shift our attention to a breaking news update coming in of an IED blast in Sukhma, where the Naxalites targeted soldiers. An IED blast targeted a truck or carrying soldiers. One Cobra unit soldier, in fact, has also been killed. Several have sustained injuries. So several troops injured as we speak, and this has happened once again in Sukhma area in Chhattisgarh. Two Jawans of CRPF Cobra 201 battalion killed in this IED blast. So that's the latest coming in, and we're learning that this attack took place close to 3 p.m. So 2 hours ago, when this truck was ferrying some of the troops. They were on their way to bring weekly ration. We've also picked up more with regards to the martyred Jawans. They've been identified as well. Rescue teams have been rushed to the spot, but real unfortunate news coming in. Chhattisgarh 201 Cobra Force Jawans, two of them killed in this IED blast at the Jagargunda police station. So an IED attack once again that's taken place in Sukhma in Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, remember, not new to these kind of Naxal attacks, though the number of attacks most certainly has gone down in the recent past. But yes, this is concerning news coming in from Chhattisgarh, and two of our Jawans have been killed in this IED blast. We have Akash Rao's reaction coming in the meanwhile as well, the SP, who's spoken about the latest details that have trickled in so far. Listen in.
के थाना जगरगुंडा के केएम सिलगेर और टेकलगुड़म के मध्य तीमापुरम के समीप आज दोपहर सुरक्षा कार्य में लगे वाहनों पर नक्सलियों के द्वारा आईडी विस्फोट किया गया है, जिससे उक्त वाहन में मौजूद 201 कोबरा के वाहन चालक विष्णु तथा आरक्षक शैलेंद्र शहीद हुए हैं। घटना की जानकारी मिलते ही तत्काल वहां पर सीआरपीएफ व कोबरा व पुलिस की टीम पहुंच चुकी है। सभी दोनों ही शहीद जवानों के शव सुरक्षित वहां से निकाले गए हैं तथा मौके पर सर्चिंग जारी है। जिला सुकमा के थाना जगरगुंडा के केएम सिलगेर और टेकलगुड़म के मध्य तीमापुरम के समीप आज दोपहर सुरक्षा कार्य में लगे वाहनों पर नक्सलियों के द्वारा आईडी विस्फोट किया गया है, जिससे उक्त वाहन में मौजूद 201 कोबरा के वाहन चालक विष्णु तथा आरक्षक शैलेंद्र शहीद हुए हैं। घटना की जानकारी मिलते ही तत्काल वहां पर सीआरपीएफ व कोबरा व पुलिस की टीम पहुंच चुकी है। सभी दोनों ही शहीद जवानों के शव सुरक्षित वहां से निकाले गए हैं तथा मौके पर सर्चिंग जारी है।
Let me go across to my colleague Arunima joining us on the phone line. Arunima, 2 CRPF Jawans have been killed in this IED blast. Do we also have a number with regards to how many Jawans have sustained injuries, and what really was the magnitude of this blast?
See, this was an IED blast that was triggered inside the Jagargunda Sukhma area. This was near the Silgar camp that the CRPF had opened. And ever since Silgar camp has been opened by CRPF, there has been protests around that area. Villagers have come out and laid siege to the camp. CRPF and local police have always maintained that these villagers were being pushed to protest by CPI Maoist members, because this area is the core of CPI Maoist stronghold in Dandakaranya. What has happened today is that there was a truck that was moving. I think there was more than one vehicle that was moving in that area, and an IED blast was triggered below a truck which was carrying some of these Jawans. They had no chance. The truck was blown off and two died on the spot. There are others who have sustained injuries, but we are waiting for details to know. They will have to be rushed to Jagdalpur for preliminary treatment, and then for enhanced medical care to Raipur also. That could happen, that they be taken down to Raipur by an air ambulance. But at this stage, all that the local police is confirming is that 2 casualties have happened.
You know, if we talk about areas like Sukhma or Bastar, we've seen some of the worst ambushes take place in these pockets in Chhattisgarh, Arunima. But the last few years, we've seen a decline in these kind of blasts, these kind of attacks. But this most certainly is worrisome. We're learning that, here was a truck which was carrying some of these CRPF men for ration picking. That's when this attack took place. Is that right?
Yeah, I can't confirm whether these were CRPF men or not, because CRPF officially has not commented yet. As yet, the confirmation has come from local police, so these could well have been, policemen from the state police. We don't know yet. Waiting for CRPF to react and give us an official version. But coming to your question about, this particular area, the last leg of the anti-Naxal operations have been started by the central and the state police forces, which essentially means that areas of Sukhma and Bijapur are the only remaining districts where the CPI Maoists were about to move about freely. In those areas also, the forces have now started a pushback. So camps have been opened in the interiors of Jagargunda, in the interiors of Bhiji, and this one, like I told you, Silgar, when the camp was opened, it came in for a lot of protests. Higma, who's the PLGA Battalion 1 commander. PLGA is the People's Liberation Guerrilla Army. So he's the PLGA Battalion 1 commander. CRPF has reached in his village. So when this kind of pushback is happening from the forces, of course the Naxals will not sit quietly and the forces will suffer some casualty. The message is very clear from North Block and from Raipur that this will not hamper our operations in any way, the anti-Naxal operations.
Okay, many thanks, Arunima, for getting us all those details. It's a developing story, so we'll come back to you as and when we hear more.